Breaking! If this happens, $1 Shiba Inu coin is imminent. Get ready, Shib News. Shytoshi Kusama, the project leader of Shiba Inu, announced the launch of Shiba Eternity for Vietnamese players. The game is available for testing, and the team has asked users for their review. Today, we're going to talk all about what Shytoshi just revealed about Shiba Inu coin. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 26th of August, shall we? After successfully accomplishing the inverse head and shoulders pattern, the Shiba Inu price rose by more than 40% to reach the monthly highs at $1,798 millionths of a dollar. Woefully, the bearish action compelled the price to drop hard, by more than 30%, testing the lower support zone. If the asset reciprocates the previous behavior, then the Shib price may be due for an upswing of more than a notable drop, and it may be imminent. Currently, the Shib price is trading close to 20-day EMA at around 13 millionths of a dollar for a few days, which is indicating a sense of indecision among the bulls and the bears. However, the flattened 20-day EMA and the RSI is expected to prevail for some more time until a rebound is ignited. If the price sustains below the 20-day EMA levels for a longer time, then the probability of the asset visiting lower support at 12 millionths of a dollar is high. The bulls here may jump in to hold the price above these levels, else a drop to 1/100,000th of a dollar could be imminent. Conversely, if the price rebounds and breaks beyond 14 millionths of a dollar, the asset may begin with its upward trajectory to test 18 millionths of a dollar. However, the bulls need to break a couple of barriers at 1,400 millionths of a dollar and 1,646 millionths of a dollar to reach the crucial resistance required to hit 210 millionths of a dollar in the coming days. Now let's get back to the topic. Shiba Inu's long-awaited game, Shiba Eternity, was launched for players in Vietnam. Shytoshi Kusama, the Shiba Inu project lead, announced the launch of the game and invited Vietnamese users to share their review and feedback on Shiba Eternity. Shiba Inu's game is currently in its testing phase and only available to Vietnamese users on iOS. Shiba Inu announced the game at the beginning of August 2022, and the first gameplay arrived sooner than expected. Users have shared positive reviews on YouTube, offering players a sneak peek at how the game works. In the leaked gameplay, a player is spotted choosing their starting hand of 3 cards. Shiba Eternity is a turn-based card game, and Kusama announced that more features will be released in later builds. The game has drawn attention to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. With 1.2 million Shiba Inu holders, there are a number of users waiting for the game's launch. There's no further information on when the game will be made available to the rest of the users, however, updates are awaited from Shytoshi Kusama. The metaverse and Shiba Inu NFT ecosystem launches are lined up for Q4 2022. Shiba Inu was more than a mere meme coin. While most networks often focus on the price of their native tokens, development took the front stage in the Shib ecosystem. With NFTs, metaverse, and other developments, the Shib army has much to look forward to. In addition to these updates, Shib-themed games are a highly anticipated venture. Playside Studios is currently developing the Shib collectible card game. There is immense enthusiasm around this project. William Volk, the game developer, assured that it wouldn't be a mere clone of other card games. A whopping 1,000 Shib-themed cards are expected to be featured. Earlier today, the Shiba Inu network took to Twitter and dropped a hint about the game. Shytoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, further affirmed that it was indeed about the game. This tweet further created quite the buzz among the Shiba Inu army. A plethora of speculations began surfacing on Twitter. Here are a few things that Shib's tweet could be implying. Teaser launch. The game has been in the works for quite some time, and the Shib army eagerly awaits a glimpse of the imminent project. Back in January 2022, Shytoshi shared a tweet about the same. However, no visuals were revealed. However, at the beginning of July, Shytoshi shared an image of the card game. Nevertheless, a teaser for the game is long overdue. Release date. There have been an array of speculations about the release date of the Shiba Inu game. Previously, it was noted that the game would be released sometime between July and September 2022. According to Playside's contract, they would develop the game during the 8 months of the term agreement. Since the development started in December 2021, July 2022 is when the game should have been ideally released. The latest tweet could imply that the release date was sooner than expected. Another collab? Shiba Inu has been partnering with several platforms across the globe. The community suspected that Shib could collaborate with an entity ahead of the game launch. earlier this month collaborated with Playside Studios and Exo Viewer for the 3D display of NFTs. Therefore, the community believed that similar collaborations could be taking place to ease the game's launch. If we talk about SHIB price, this metric displays confidence among SHIB holders. According to Into the Block data, Shiba Inu hodlers, referring to addresses that have held for more than a year, have displayed a positive 11.97% change in the last 30 days. The number of short and medium-term holders, however, saw a decline throughout the same period. In the context of buying and holding cryptocurrencies, the phrase hodl, a misspelling of hold, which means hold on for dear life, has become a catchphrase among cryptocurrency fans. Hodling signifies a long-term approach for cryptocurrency holding and usually results from convictions or beliefs about the long-term prospects of a project. According to Into the Block's data on holder composition by time held, 28% of SHIB holders have hodled their tokens for more than a year, 68% have held within a year, and 4% have held onto their tokens for less than a month. Just a week ago, U.Today reported that the percentage of Shiba Inu hodlers, or long-term holders, was 27%. Shiba Inu's correlation with Bitcoin drops by 30%. Following its most recent surge, Shiba Inu is gradually decoupling from Bitcoin, as shown by the 30-day Bitcoin Correlation Index. Shiba Inu had significant market growth on August 14th, rising about 35% from lows of 126 10 millionths of a dollar. On August 15th, SHIB soared to a peak of 179 10 millionths of a dollar before retreating. Shiba Inu's price was up 2% at the time of publication to 155 10 millionths of a dollar. According to Into the Block statistics, Shiba Inu was showing a 0.62 or 62% price correlation with Bitcoin, a drop of nearly 30%. U.Today previously reported this value to be 0.9 or 90% in the past week. A sustained decoupling from the Bitcoin market might signal that Shiba Inu's price movement is unlikely to be dictated by the market's general trend. In the past day, SHIB was among the top 10 most purchased tokens among the 100 biggest ETH whales, per WhaleStats data. The analysis of the top 100 Shiba Inu holders by WhaleStats reflected a 509% increase in trading volumes and a 771.88% increase in net flow. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!